Good afternoon, good day, wherever you are listening from or watching from. This is this week's economic calendar and fundamental outlook. Last week, we had a very terrible CPI from US. In short, that was the talk of the town as the performance was abysmal, and I believe many people were thrown off. Even though the CPI was cooling down, but the result was way out of it. So let's look forward to this week. This week, from November 20 to 24, let's look at the outlook of what we are expecting. On Monday, November 20, there's no major news except by 6:45 p.m. GMT, the Bank of England Governor Bali will speak. And when the governor speaks, it will have a serious effect on all the traders of JPP. And we happen to be one of them. So watch out. 7:45 p.m. West African time to speak. Then on Tuesday, November 21, from 12 a.m. West African time, the Reserve Bank Governor of Australia, Bullock, speaks. So in the same way, then, just in a space of hours, the governor of, after the governor of Bank of England, Bali, the governor of Reserve Bank of Australia will speak, Bullock, and I know all that are saying the same thing. So this week is good for us. For those of us who are good in trading interest rate differential, or what we call cross trading, it's a good week for us. Then by that same Tuesday, by 12:30 a.m. GMT, the Reserve Bank of England will be bringing out their monetary policy minutes. That's of interest also to us that trade AUD and USD. Then by 2:30 p.m. West African time, Canadian dollar or the Canadian economy, there will be CPI report month to month, year on year, trimmed, common, all reports is very relevant. So let's watch out and look for it. Then there is also interesting to note that because of what is happening to oil, Canada is an oil-based economy. The oil price has been nosediving. So let's watch out whether there will be a rescue from CPI. Then by 8 p.m. West African time or 7 p.m. GMT, FMOC minute will be reported. What? That's good. So we are, as the USD pay traders, we're always interested in FMOC minutes. And FMOC is a master. Whenever they sneeze, the whole world will catch cold. And that will be an interesting day, Tuesday, November 21. On Wednesday, by 8:35 a.m., Reserve Bank Governor of Australia will speak again. And that will be after the FMOC minute. And I am sure that will be in reaction to that. So then by 2:30 p.m. West African time or 1:30 p.m. GMT, we'll be having unemployment claim from US. We're having a core durable goods under month to month, durable goods month to month from US. Then by 3 p.m. GMT, we have a reverse UM consumer sentiment. Then 4:30 p.m. GMT, we have CAD, Bank, the governor of the Central Bank of Canada Macklem speaks. What I should want you to take note of this. This is the week of the governors. From Monday till Thursday, all the governors of the major central banks of the world will be speaking. And to us traders, that will be an interesting time for us. On Thursday, we have PMI, French flash PMI from US, from Europe, for Euro traders. Then by 9:30 a.m., that same Thursday, 23rd, we have a flash manufacturing PMI from Great Britain for GB traders. That's interesting date also. Then on Friday, lastly, by 9 a.m. GMT, German business information climate will be coming out. Then by 10 a.m., the ECB president, the European Central Bank President Lagarde will be speaking. I have been able to confirm now that the whole week, from Monday to Friday, each day, there are different central bank governors speaking. So that's an interesting day for us, interesting week for us traders. So buckle your belts, because this is what determines the direction of. It's not the chart you are seeing. What moves the chart is what the statement of these great men and women. And to be an interesting day, interesting week. Just watch out. By the same 2:45 p.m., there will be flash manufacturing PMI from US. It's also interesting for us to trade. This is all we are saying. I want you to be mindful of this trade. Don't be a blind trader. That is the essence of this message. It's for you to understand that you cannot trade except you understand the direction. And the direction are being determined by these men that are going to speak. We have different governors that will be speaking and on interest rates, and that will directly, significantly, volatilely affect the currency pace that is affected. Thank you. If you find this interesting, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want us to, any area you want us to analyze next week, please do it on the comment side. Thank you from all of us at PGM Traders.
That's easy, right?